Hi, welcome back to Glow with Shelly. In today's video, I'm going to give you a 30-day review of a cream that I tried again that I absolutely love. I forgot about it. What is it? I'm going to tell you when I come back. Remember, this channel is all about glowing up, transformative skincare, flawless makeup, and a lifestyle to match. If that resonates with you, hit subscribe. Don't forget to ring the notification bell. I put out videos, new videos each week, and I want you to know when those pop up. Okay, so what did I try? I tried the Cerave Skin Renewing Night Cream. I gave this one a 30-day review. Again, I've tried this in the past. I used this years ago. I absolutely loved it then. And I wanted to see if I would absolutely love it now and what my thoughts were on it. So let me tell you what I thought about this cream. So I gave it a 30-day try. This is an amazing little cream. It packs a huge punch. It's very thick. So I definitely only use this at night. I have oily skin, just kind of a caveat. I do use niacinamide to lower my sebum production, which that's done a great job of doing it. I still do occasionally get acne, and I got a little bit of cystic acne from an oat balm cleanser that I used after I gave a couple of makeup removing balms a try. So keep that in mind. I sometimes tend to get breakouts still, even though I am 46, almost 47. So my oily skin versus someone else's skin, so other people could have drier skin. I do think this moisturizer works for both oily and dry skin, and let me tell you why. First, I want to tell you though what's in it. So what's in this? It's packed with so many wonderful ingredients. First, it contains niacinamide. Niacinamide helps even tone and texture. It helps reduce pore size, and it helps balance out sebum production. That is huge, okay? What else does it contain? It contains 3 kinds of ceramides, which are going to help restore your skin's natural barrier. It contains occlusives like glycerin and glycol, which are going to, they're both occlusive, and they're going to draw in that moisture. They're going to lock it in. This packs a huge punch. It's a thick cream. It sits well over the top. It has lots and lots of lipids in it too that are going to help restore that natural skin barrier. It's going to hydrate your skin. It's going to plump it and nourish it. It's going to also, the ceramides are going to help lock everything in so that nothing gets out of your skin. So it's going to keep all that moisture in all night long. And let me tell you, this keeps that moisture in all night long. So as far as in the way that it works and its ingredients, Cerave is a very trusted dermatological brand. It is fairly low price. This retails for $23.99, so it's not super expensive. A little bit goes a long way with this, so you don't need a ton of it in order to really cover your face and get that nice ceramide barrier going, that kind of lipid barrier that mimics the skin's natural barrier in order to help repair your natural barrier. So it's going to give you that, and you're going to get that with just a little bit. You don't have to use a ton of this moisturizer. So that is good about that. So that definitely gets 5 hearts out of 5 for ingredients, because the ingredients in this are great. Cerave is a trusted brand. I definitely saw more hydration in my skin. I saw it more plump. I would wake up and my skin was super soft. Loved it. So that definitely 5 hearts out of 5 on the ingredient scale. Okay, what about the usability scale? So definitely 5 hearts out of 5 on usability. This doesn't have a strong fragrance. There's no fragrance to this at all. It feels so soft on. I can use it with oily skin. So even though it's a thick moisturizer, I can still use it with oily skin. So it's definitely oily skin and dry skin approved. Because if I can use this heavy moisturizer on my oily skin, you will be able to use it on your dry skin as well. So 5 out of 5 hearts on usability. I think it works for almost everyone. If you have really oily skin and it's not controlled with sebum, with a separate kind of niacinamide or something that helps control sebum production, if you have overabundance of sebum and you're having some serious acne issues, you might not want to use this, okay? But other than that, you will probably, this is pretty universal, so you'll probably be able to use that. So as far as price point, it also gets 5 hearts out of 5 for affordability. This is a really affordable moisturizer. It's not expensive. You can get it just about anywhere. You can get it at Target, you can get it at Walmart, you can get it at Ulta. You can find it almost anywhere, so it's great. It's a drugstore brand, so that also gets 5 out of 5 hearts for that. Okay, and so finally, overall effectiveness. I will tell you that this moisturizer did so much for my skin. It felt plump, it felt moisturized, and for the price, I mean, you cannot beat that. So I definitely give it a 5 out of 5 hearts for overall effectiveness. Guys, this is a winner. This is definitely a 5 out of 5 hearts on all of my scales. So it hits the usability, affordability, effectiveness, and ingredients. It's got it all. So this is definitely Glow Up approved. Cerave 30-day moisturizer. Give it a try. I think you'll like it. Let me know in the comment box if you've tried this one. If this one's your one of your favorites, let me know. Definitely one of mine. And I'll see you next time on Glow Up with Shelly.